Hi everyone, so I'm currently packing for a girls trip to SLO, and I wanted to show you all a product that is super useful whenever you travel or if you have to take makeup on the go. So this is a makeup brush organizer. It's from the brand Dikdoc. You can find them on Amazon. I got it in the lilac color, of course. I've always struggled with finding a place for my brushes. I used to just toss my makeup brushes into the same bag with all of my makeup products, and it's just not the cleanest, most hygienic way to store your brushes. And the makeup brushes took up a lot of space in here too, so I could only bring like a few brushes. And when everything is mixed together, the bristles get like squished and like clumpy. But with a makeup brush organizer, you can keep them separated. It's clean. This makeup brush holder is made of silicone, so it's easy to clean. Super convenient. I already put in some brushes that I want to bring on the trip. I also put in my lash curler just to separate it, as well as my makeup sponge since it is damp, so I want to separate it for my makeup products. The volume of the makeup pouch has been upgraded, so it has more space to fit your brushes. It can hold up to 8 to 14 brushes, so if you have the clasp on the last button, you have a bunch of space. If you don't have that many brushes to carry, you can always tighten it. The product has been upgraded to prevent fallout, which is what the securing strap helps with. So as you can see, nothing is falling out. Something that I thought was really cool was that there's a cleaning mat built inside the makeup holder, so you can clean your brushes right inside. I love how portable and compact it is. The texture of the product is really soft and smooth, and I love that it's easy to clean. That's like the most important thing when you have dirty makeup brushes. You want to be able to take off all of the dirt and grime and to be able to use it again and again. If you're interested, I will have a link down below where you can purchase. Thank you so much, Dikdoc, for sending this to me to review. This was after Coachella. We made a pit stop to Anaheim Packing District to get food and drinks. It was nostalgic because our first LA trip together, we took a picture on the swing, so it was nice to be back. Now we are in SLO. We booked a massage appointment for Sammy's birthday. It was very relaxing, my first like professional massage. And then we went to a winery. We had a good view of the vineyard. The staff was really nice. There's just something about cheese and wine.
It's for your vlog.
Oh, wait, no, we're doing
The B-roll.
the B-roll. Do that.
And then we had brunch together before heading back home. Moving on to my birthday celebrations, I went to a Brazilian steakhouse with my parents, and then Alvin took me to a steakhouse, which exceeded our expectations, and the service was pretty good. Now we are celebrating at San Pedro Square Market, which is pretty rare because we don't really go out to downtown often. I'm really glad that everyone was able to come out, and I had a fun time. So I commissioned a purple matcha bowl from a clay artist named Melissa. She's a Vietnamese American ceramics artist based in San Francisco. I wanted to support a small local business, so if you're interested in commissioning a piece, I'll leave her information down below. Hi everyone, so I'm finally back home after a long weekend, and I wanted to open some birthday gifts that I received from my friends. My friend Terry actually went to Japan. She gave me some strawberry mochi. I love strawberries, so I'm excited to try these. She also got me this purple charm. It's so cute. It has like cherry blossoms on it, and it's just totally my aesthetic. So thank you, Terry. Love that these are in Christmas wrapping. There's also dogs on it, which is really cute. So we'll start with this small one. I wonder what this is. So cute. They're purple keycaps. Thank you so much, Terry. There's a star one. There's two flower ones. This one reminds me of a lotus. And let's open this one. Charlotte Tilbury. This is a beautifying lip kit. Comes with a lip liner, a matte long-lasting lipstick, and a color balm, and it's in the shade Pillow Talk. Super excited to try these. Thank you, Terry. Next is from Sammy. She packaged it in this purple packaging, which is perfect. Let's see what this is. So this is a purple switch skin. I've been meaning to get a purple case for my Switch actually. I just never got around to it. My Switch is the blue one, so I wanted to custom wrap it. I was right on the dot. Next. Oh my god! More Switch accessories. There are these thumb grips. Oh, that's adorable. Love that. Super unique too. It's a watch in this purple band too. That's so cute. That's super pretty. The face is like pearlescent. It has like gold finishings. Thank you, Sammy. Oh my god. Feeling so much love right now. I hope y'all enjoyed this gift unwrapping portion. Everything is a surprise to me and I like watching these videos because I like seeing people's reactions to gifts. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all soon. I'm about to have my fan call with bbomb. So nervous. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hi.
안녕하세요. Hi.
Hi. So happy to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you. Shirley.
Yes. I saw Block B in San Francisco. Yeah, I'm proud of your dancing. Your dancing is very good.
Dancing.
Yes, very good. I want to visit Muja B.
Oh.
Yeah, I want to visit, yeah.